Alright, let's change this to red for Supreme. I don't know if you guys can even see that. Oh wait, that's not even red. Red is right there. I could probably not even see it. Barely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. It's unboxing time. What's up guys, Casey back with another video, and I know we haven't done a Supreme unboxing. Why am I hitting this so hard? A Supreme unboxing in so long because the season did end, but it has came back around and we cooked for week 1, ladies and gentlemen, because oh my god, I spent around $1,200 on week 1, if I am correct. If not, I'll have it on the screen of the correct price. But boy did we cook. I made my girlfriend give me some, I made my little brother give me something, and I did majority of the cooking. But let's get straight into this unboxing because I am really excited for all of this. But before we get into that, if you guys do want to maybe purchase or enter into raffles that I will be having of all of these Supreme items, make sure to go follow my resale Instagram page at Preme Raptor. I'll have it on the screen right there. And don't forget to follow my main Instagram account right there at Keysy, Espana. But yeah, since we got that out the way, let's get straight into this unboxing because I have been holding it for about a week now, just trying to get all the packages in so I can make this big old video for you guys. So no more talking, let's get straight into the video. I don't think we're gonna need this knife as much, for real. We're always gonna have it on us. So the first package we have right here is this one. I don't even know what are in any of these because really I ordered so many things. I was just adding stuff to carts, checking out. The Supreme gods just blessed me this week. I mean they blessed me week 1. So let me zoom out a little bit more right there. Yeah, alright. So, ooh, boys and girls, we have a plethora of things in there. Alright, so let's go for the first item. Oh, might as well go for the stickers already because, boys and girls, we have the Pharaoh right there, and then we have just the regular Supreme box logo stickers, nothing too crazy, and then we have the Stay Positive Supreme in Spirit stickers right there. Then the free gift for this season is the Supreme worker gloves. I know I'm gonna have a bunch of these just like the ponchos and the freaking bouncy balls. Let's put this on at the end of the video, matter of fact. But the first item we have right here is this jet orange shirt right here in a medium. Let's open it up because why not? I actually did get a personal, well, my girl got a personal for me of this in red because I thought it was just so dope. But you guys look at that, it says Supreme. Let's see this, if you guys can see it. It says, stop following my video. It says Supreme right there with this freaking fighter jet on fire crashing down. It says USAF. I'm sure that's the US something, but this shirt is absolutely insane. This color orange is absolutely like, it's bright. It's just the right orange that they chose for it, and I really love this graphic and this colorway overall. So that's shirt number 1. Let's get that over there. Then we have this wait, what was it? This Nueva York tee. Then we have this Nueva York tee right here in this natural cream colorway. This colorway is so nice and so clean. Why is it dirty? Like, what did they do to this? Like, why is this all this like speckle stuff? Oh my god, what the hell? What did they do to this shirt, man? I don't know if you guys can see it. I'll probably have like overlay clips on it, but this thing looks kind of dirty. But you have the Supreme right there, Nueva York Stati Unity. I don't know if I said that right or butchered it, but yeah, you just have the classic Supreme logo right there with this Nueva York right there, and then Stati Unity right there. This colorway is nice. You can never go wrong with a natural cream color. But this is in a size medium as well, and I'm really trying to figure out why there's so many speckles on that shirt. I don't know if they all come like that or mine's just is fucked up. Next item we have right here I wish I would have gotten this in. What size did I get this in? I can't even remember right now. It does not say, but let's just open it. Oh wait, it's a size large for this one. I wish I would have got probably like a second one of this, because this shirt is like this hoodie is insane. Like, just look at this, man. I know I sound super excited and like I'm even sweating right now because it's so hot. This thing is like, yo, these colors all go together perfectly. It says Supreme all over it in like this checkered pattern right there. You have red, purple, yellow, green, black, blue, red, orange. Oh my god, just all the colors. This thing kind of looks like a bag of Skittles. I'm not even gonna lie to you, but it's in a size large. I wish I would have got this for myself. I might pick up a personal for myself, or if anybody has a size medium to give to me on a deal, or maybe even retail, I would gladly appreciate it. But I will also have this up for sale on my resale page, if you guys haven't forgot, at Cream Raptor. Selfish plug. Alright, but that's it for package number 1. Let's get into package number 2. This one's kind of small. Let's just straight rip this open. I don't think we even need a knife for this one. Oh, alright, so of course we have the Supreme worker gloves. Duh, I'm surprised we got that in the second order back to back. But then we have this sticker packs right here. We have the Jet stickers right there, then regular box logo stickers, and then the Stay Positive stickers, but just in a bigger format. And then let's see, is that it? Yeah, I always got to make sure if that's it in the package. But we have the Futura logo tee right here in the black colorway. I know this shirt was kind of hype. Other shirt that I believe was really hype was the Capture tee. I wasn't such a fan. I was not a fan of that tee. I thought it was actually really whack. I don't know why a bunch of people liked it, but I just thought it was whack, and it was just, I don't know, I just didn't like it overall. But this Futura logo tee in the black, what size we get it? In a medium, boys and girls. This kind of looks like a small, not even gonna lie, because I am a medium. But right here, oh wait, hold on. It says Supreme in like this Futura logo right there, and it says justice for all on the back, especially with everything going on in this world with the injustice of black people being killed. I actually agree with that saying right there, justice for all, because we do need justice for every single person that has been killed. But let's not get into politics. This is a Supreme unboxing after all, but that's my little opinion. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and that will be on sale as well. The other small little package right here, we don't need the knife for this one anyway. I don't even know where it's gonna fall out of. The top, the bottom. All right, the bottom. Woo-hoo, boys and girls, we cooked a bunch of teas this first week 1, just like we did last season. If you guys haven't seen that video from like last season, week 1, I'm gonna have it somewhere on here, and I'm gonna link it just so you guys can see how much we cooked. Yeah. All right. As always, we gotta go with another pair of worker gloves. Another sticker pack. Okay, let's go. We have another Pharaoh sticker right there, and then we finally have a different box logo sticker. We have the regular camo sticker right there. My girlfriend actually did get the pink one. I'm gonna show you guys one. I'm actually really jealous because I really wanted this, and for some reason she always gets freaking awesome stickers that I always want, and she never gives me, so I'm gonna have to fight her for that one. But forget the stickers for now. We have more packages, so we might get that sticker. Let's hope, you know, crossing our fingers that we get that freaking sticker. But anyway, we have another Jet tee right here. We have this one in a medium in the red colorway, just like the orange. It's nothing crazy. Well, it is crazy that I like this shirt. But my girl actually got me a large in this one, so I'm going to see which one I like on body, and then I'll sell the other one. I'll probably try on the large first and then see if I like that one. If not, I'll either have a size large or a size medium, because I don't know which one I like better. And then I don't know if this is the last tee. We have more packages, but I just have to make sure. Then we have, this is their traditional photo tee that they do every year. I personally don't know who this man is, but we have it in the yellow colorway right here. I got it in an XL. This was the only one I was able to grab, but fortunately I was able to grab one, so that's good. You have him here playing the saxophone right there, all majestic like, and then I don't know what it says on the back because I really cannot read cursive. But it has Supreme right there in the silver scribble cursive right there on the front, and I think this tee is actually dope, even though I don't know who that is. I always like their photo tees that they do every year, just like all the other ones. I like that one as well. Let's get right into this big old package. I don't think we're gonna need a knife for this one either. So let's just rip it right open. Wow. Ow, I keep hitting my hat. Where's it going? Okay. Alright, boys and girls. We have a hoodie in here. And then, of course, all the stuff fell on the ground. The rest of the stuff. Hold on. Oh, damn, we got a couple things in here. Hold on. I need to grab everything so I can make sure nothing falls off or out. What is this? Oh, I bet. Y'all are about to see what we just got. But that's it. That one just hit the light. But that's it for that one. Alright, let's get straight into it. Of course, another pair of worker gloves. Damn, we've been getting a bunch of free gifts. I'm actually surprised. Alright, but this one we have a box logo sticker, a jet sticker, and then the tire sticker right there. Nothing too crazy. I'm still really waiting on that pink camo sticker. Please, let's get that camo sticker. If not, I'll have to steal hers. But, alright. First item we have right here is this. Dang, this thing feels so light. So we have this loose gauge cream beanie right here with Supreme script right there. Let's switch the hat right now, matter of fact. We're not gonna wear that one for now. We're gonna keep that in the back. And then, cause this is a personal for me. So, let's get that. Ooh, yo, that looks insane. If you guys do remember, I did wear the black one all the time. I sold that to my boy, I think. If I can't remember, I wasn't wearing it. But this cream one is just like that one. The black one, that one was just 3M. So it did every time you used the flash. It shined like crazy. But this one, cream, natural colorway. Boy, should we have the ears out? Like, come on. Y'all gotta let me know in the comments below. Ears out or in when I'm wearing this. Because I don't know. I don't know what I'm feeling. Y'all let me know. But yeah, yo. We're gonna wear this for the rest of the video because this is a nice personal. Let's get straight into the other item that we have is this the Supreme Ice, I don't know what's it called, the Icy Supreme logo right here in a size medium in this coral colorway. Boy, oh my god, this hoodie, I just had to have one. This is in a size medium. I think I copped like another one. I cannot remember. But yo, this colorway is insane. Yo, look at that. Please look at that. That color combination with this coral like pink. And then this blue iced over. Oh my god, the Supreme logo. Y'all, this is insane. Absolutely one of my favorite pieces from week 1. Just all the thread count, the stitching, the patches. Oh my god, it's not all what's it called, embroidered, but y'all, this is, oh my god, this one's gonna have to be the personal, or if I did get another one, I don't know which one, y'all, because this thing is insane, man. Wow, I already fell in love with that thing. Like, that's insane. We got so many things over here, y'all. Like, I have so many things for sale this season. All right, let's get into the bigger package right here. Let's get into the bigger package right here. I always get a deck every season. I try to get a deck every season. I have like 7. This one's probably gonna be my 8th one, but they are not for me. These are all for resale purposes because I gotta keep making these videos for you guys because I know you enjoy them. And if you guys do enjoy them, make sure to like this video and comment down below what's your favorite item from this video, because y'all already know what's my favorite one. That coral icy jacket, Supreme. I don't even know the freaking name to it. I just love it so much. But we got paper right there. Should we do a little ASMR? That was probably a little weird for this channel, but we have another pair of work gloves. Man, they're outdoing themselves with these free gifts. I remember 2 seasons ago when it was the Supreme Bouncy Ball, oh my god, I probably got like 4 or 3 out of everything that I ordered from that season. And then last season, I barely got any ponchos. I probably got like 5 ponchos out of all the orders. But we have this Supreme deck right here. It is the blue camo deck right there. I wanted to get the pink one. Oh my god, I have it backwards. I wanted to get the pink one, but I was only able to get the blue one. I might buy the pink one on resale. And if anybody has the pink one and they're trying to sell it to me, DM me. Send me a message with your price and we'll see what we work out, because this blue one, I like this blue one as well. My favorite ones were the blue and pink one. The pink one is absolutely insane. That colorway is fire. But this blue one falls second right behind that one. This thing is insane. I don't know, maybe I'll have this one up on the wall or I'll have it for resale. I haven't decided yet, because looking at it now, this thing looks crazy. And certainly, last but not least, we have this other package right here. Let's open it up. I don't think we need the knife for it. And this is the last sticker pack. Unfortunately, we did not get the pink camo sticker, y'all. I'm gonna have to fight my girlfriend over it, I swear. We have just like the first ones. Now I'm mad more pair of gloves. And then I think this is the final order. Well, my girlfriend has like 2 more orders, 2 or 3 more items of mine, so maybe in those packages we have that camo sticker. I'm not giving up hope just yet until I get all my week 1 packages, so you know, we'll see. Zoom in a little bit. Let's zoom in a little bit. You know, you can't be making me look all stretched out, even though this whole video has been stretched out like that. But let's get straight into it. And like I said, I knew I cooked another one. I knew I cooked another one, y'all. Come on, man. I swear. Manual boys, we did it, y'all. We copped another joint in black, y'all. Look at that. Yo, that is, bruh. This logo, this graphic is just way too insane. It's even, yo, the pink one, obviously that's the best colorway, but this black one, how can you go wrong with that? What size is this? Size XL. So this one's not even gonna fit me. This is extra large. So for anybody that's extra large, go ahead and hit me up on my Supreme Raptors page, and if you want to buy it, or I'll raffle it off for like, I don't know, $15 to somebody. But yeah, yo, this is insane. Come on, boys and girls. We absolutely cooked this season. I mean, this season. We're gonna cook the rest of the season, but this week 1, we cooked, boy, oh boy. And I have another unboxing for you guys that, oh my god, we cooked like this in a matter of 10 minutes. We cooked the cause stuff, but I'm not gonna tell you anything else about that video. The video is gonna come out whenever that item comes in. I don't know when it's gonna come in because it's gonna be my first cause order ever. But that's really it for today. Hold on, like I said, I gotta put on the gloves for y'all, because you know, why won't I? Trying really not to cut myself right there. Oh wait, I forgot one more item. My bad. We got the Supreme stickers right here, the adhesive stickers that 100 pack. Yeah, I don't really know why I got this. They had it in like a green, red, and blue. I just got the red ones. They're like 100. I don't really know what I'm gonna do with them. They're just a little fun accessory to have on my little stand over there in the corner. But yeah, that's the last item for real. But let's put on these gloves and then sign out. So, I feel like a doctor or Mickey Mouse. Hype beast Mickey Mouse. Hold on, relax. Mechanic. Oof. Yo, I feel like a mime. Can't get up. Alright, but yeah, that's gonna be it for the rest of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you are new, make sure to turn on the notification bell to be notified when I post a new video. And also, let me know down in the comments below what was your favorite item out of this video, because this was absolutely one of my favorite unboxings I have done in a really long time, just because we cooked so many things and we got a couple personals for myself. That's gonna be it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Peace.